funny if I cut the tar out of myself on video.
Hey everybody, Walt here. Welcome to the channel. I'm debuting my band Onishi's brand new track, and if you want to hear the full version, the links are in the description. The Little Death. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, that turned out real nice. Real nice. So we should be able to get that other bar or other grip on here, but now we have to do the throttle side. So went ahead and ordered these guys, and it'll get locked inside this captive ring, and we've just got to get the brass little cylinders that are going to hold our cables in place. You know, this side should be a little easier. I opted for one that doesn't need glue. It's simply got retention in the back, and we'll see how long that lasts. But you can see that one side is larger than the other. It means we need to get that into our bottom section here, so it will actually hold it captively inside our control housing. So what we'll do is we'll rotate it up, slide it on, and then rotate it down, and then tighten it up.
Reclaiming your control. Cut out the ride.
Brakes are still crisp. Yeah. Ideally, this doesn't take me 2 more years to finish it, but look nice.